say the gold's over by that rainbow.
I'd say so too. Woo! Let's go. Just got out here, working the marsh this morning. We're up in Jacksonville, Florida. Putting down into the canal we chose. Nate's trying to go for a dip already.
I'm used to the other boat.
We got the rainbow. Looking for the pot of gold. Today we're after some big redfish, backwater redfish. Some tailors.
Blown up right here down the side. We're about to catch a fish. Yeah, we almost just stepped off the boat.
I know, I was like, what the Seems like a little red. First red of the trip, maybe.
Jack.
Wow.
What a little jack.
What?
Why you gotta tease it?
Why you gotta do that to me, man? Kind of his head running like a little red. Get off, buddy. One of those pompanos, right? Real nice pump. I swear I just heard like a drum. Look at that coming down the bank. Go slow, this looks like a fish. That feels like a jack.
First red.
Damn, dude.
He's got a huge dog too.
But he has some big eyes.
That's awesome. Good look. First red.
First redfish of the trip.
First red in Jacksonville.
He has so much blue on him. He's a big shrimper. On to the bigger ones. It's so funny. I thought the jack was a redfish, and then that redfish just fought like a jack. I'm on the reds, baby. I realized that he hit it though when I was literally like reeling it like just slow as Yes, sir.
Yeah, buddy. That's a red right there. I think you figured it out.
That slow bump.
You might have figured out the slow bump. Really
Bump and dump, baby. This one's,
lit up gold.
he's a little bit bigger.
Lit up gold.
He's fired up. He was thinking this is breakfast.
That's awesome.
You're famous now, buddy.
I think good one.
How big is? Beautiful little guy.
Oh yeah.
Right in the corner of the mouth.
Nice little Jacksonville redfish. Very
Big one in the
nice.
marsh, baby. Already got a couple fish in the boat.
Woo!
This is gonna be fun.
This is gonna be fun.
And I don't need nobody telling me what to do.
just missed me, bro. He just missed me. I think there's like 3 of them up here, bro. Come on, little Marsh man. Come on, Marsh man, Rico. I know you're hungry. Oh, I just missed him. I just missed him, bro. I just missed him. No wonder I didn't get him.
You weren't even recording?
I was.
Oh my god, you're talking all that and you didn't even record it.
Get your
That's sweet. Yeah, I'm not a fish.
Dude, I just called that fish.
I know, what?
I said, Nate, I got the swag lure on my hip. You know I'm about to catch one. Dude, I swear I have a little fish whisper. I talk a little something something and I get one.
They get all nice to you. Oh, that's a sick one.
It's a nice little one out there. It's a little better than those little girls we caught earlier.
Yeah, it's so blue.
We're leveling up. Slowly but surely. Oh, that's a pretty one. Yes, sir. Beautiful fish, dude. Look at the little hump on him. Beauty.
Nice.
You can't beat this back here. You can't be calling out a fish too before you've even seen it. Beautiful backwater redfish right there.
Oh, yeah.
They're so dark compared to where we live, dude. This dark water.
And they got a lot of stuff to eat here. Non-stop shrimp jumping.
Call some more fish. I think that's the key.
Yes, it is. Let's do it.
Let's go, Nate.
3-0. I haven't even really wanted to catch a fish yet.
Yeah. Watch, I'll just do it again. What's crazy too, bro, is like I like almost slowed down on working. Oh. I slowed my bait down tremendously because I was like, dude, I only have like 6 cranks left. I was like, I literally just told him I'm gonna catch a fish on this, and I was like, I'm running out of line. Let it sit for 2 seconds. Thump. Dude, what's crazy too is as soon as this tide came up.
Oh, don't look over there. No, there's no fish over there. You're kidding me, dude. Out of baby. Let's go.
He's running into this pond though.
Let's go.
Like I said, over the f***ing pond.
Way to get in the water. Go walking. Go walking.
About to. They're gonna sink like a. Hell no.
Oh, no play. Yeah.
I'm not going. So spotty.
Oh, shit. Anything out?
Top thing. They're starting to move back, yeah, that's for sure. Saw that one pop something on the bank.
Dude, you're killing me right now.
Another beautiful one, literally a couple minutes after that last one we just caught.
Not even one cast later.
Woo! Better fish. Sorry I wasn't recording that first part. I was being a little doubtful, to be honest. I was like, yeah, we need to get back in deeper creeks. It's either whenever I'm talking the fish up or I'm being doubtful I catch a fish. About the same size as the other one. A little more spunk. Oh yeah, she's digging. This one had a little food before it bit mine. Woo! Right in the top of the mouth. Beautiful.
That's a good one.
Wild.
Yeah.
This is a happy guy. God. Even fish this size, you know, they're not massive. Just back here in the marsh, they seem to fight so hard.
They hit hard too.
Gorgeous fish. And this one's fat, dude. That's why I had to give me a little bit more of a fight,
Yeah.
because he's like a football. Beautiful. That little guy.
Nice. And they're ready to go right away.
What is that?
Well, it took some time to get it right, to recognize the infinity in the sky.